Hi, treasures. Please like, subscribe, leave comments. It helps us a lot, and thank you very much. Well, here is all the very lucky members of Nader Elshamy's channel. Bless their hearts.
Everyone.
Hi.
How are you doing, guys?
We're just fine.
Today is very, very, very good weather. It's last 22. So, here we go. I have visit with my friend today. So, we're gonna have beer, Budweiser.
How's Chantal doing? Your friend.
And here's beef short ribs.
Ooh, I hear ya.
Some pepper. All gonna be grilled.
Sweet.
We're gonna cut it. This one very tasty. When we just grill it with nothing, like natural flavor. It's loud a bit, but we're gonna do it. Let's do that grill first.
Nice.
Ooh la la. You can decide. You too. Oh. How you doing? How you doing, guys? Everything going good here? Okay, we're gonna change this place. We do this morning. You come here.
Don't you love how he uses no utensils? Just flip it over. What'd they do? Forget them? Now, come on, Chantal. Why would you forget to bring the utensils? Oh, wait. Neither one of them likes them. What about a back scratcher?
Part 2, second time, action. Now we're gonna go check what's going on. That's a lot of stuff going on here. You come here. You too.
He's got a knife.
You're done.
No, he doesn't. He's got a fork.
This one done. This one done.
Make sure you look in them knobs and see Chantal. Do you think that meat's cooked all the way through? Looks awful thick. And now we don't know how long he did it for, since he's getting so good at editing. And looky there.
So here, we have homemade hummus, homemade potato salads.
How fancy for a barbecue
Budweiser.
with his friend.
The chips in the grill. Let's get this.
Nader bite.
The best.
How is it?
Go outside, man. So tasty, this pepper.
Well, Didi must not be there because we don't hear the
That's good. I want to tell you something.
What are you going to tell us?
If you don't have barbecue yet, you should.
Love you, treasures. See you on the next one. Remember, you're beautiful.
I'm doing my job.